great pleasure to welcome you to France. This is the first time since the war that Leningrad's famous Kirov company have been seen in the West.
Did you dance tonight?
If I had danced, you would remember. Рудольф Нуреев.
C'était magnifique.
Thank you.
Is there any chance we could all have dinner tonight? Присмотрите за мной.
We're told not to speak to foreigners, not to go out with them, not to eat with them.
Aren't you frightened?
Monsieur Nureyev, do you think you will one day go back to Russia?
I feel I will never return to my country.
Вы знали об этом?
Нет.
Это выпад против Советского Союза. Его будут судить за государственную измену заочно.
There was opposition, people against me.
You dream of a world that isn't this one.
Зачем мне мечтать о другом мире? Everyone must have a purpose in life. I have to show the world I am the best. Whatever you do, don't leave me. If you leave me, I am finished. My name is Rudolf Nureyev. I want political asylum.
No!
Я лучше помру, чем буду жить вот под таким правилам.
You have to say what you want.
I want to be free.